Welcome back to SSP Crack Exams. I am Anuradha, and in this session, I'm going to give you the General Studies Essay and Comprehension Paper Analysis for your Central Armed Police Forces Assistant Commandants CAPF AC examination. Now, as you know, General Studies Essay and Comprehension paper is the paper 2 of CAPF AC examination, and it is sometimes codenamed as GSEC, General Studies Essay and Comprehension paper, right? So before I start to give you the analysis and how many questions and how much marks you can expect from each and every topic in this General Studies Essay and Comprehension paper in CAPF AC examination, let me tell you that now you can prepare for the CAPF AC examination by just downloading our mobile app from the Google Play Store, or you can also visit us on learn.sspcrackexams.com. You can visit the website or download the mobile app and enroll to a CAPF AC course where we have covered the entire syllabus for the CAPF AC examination with detailed content lectures exclusively designed for the aspirants by your top class tutors, along with the content, along with the study materials, quizzes, sample practice Q&A, practice papers, and much more. So let me give you first of all the idea about the components of CAPF AC General Studies Essay and Comprehension syllabus. So what is there in the syllabus? So here you are. The topics are essay writing, for and against essay writing, which are also sometimes known as pros and cons essay writing, report writing, précis writing, subjective comprehension, and basic grammar, right? So now I will start with the previous year's Q&A analysis for each topic, and I will also tell you how many questions you can expect from this topic in your upcoming CAPF AC examination in your paper 2 in GSEC paper, right? So first I will start with the essay writing topic. Now I have given you last 5 years paper analysis from 2015 to 2019, and you can see consistently 4 questions have come for essay writing from 2015 to 2019. So basically 6 topics will be given to you for the essay writing, out of which you have to choose any 4 topic and you have to write essays on any 4 topics. So 4 essays on 4 topics, right? So obviously you can expect 4 questions, in other words 4 topics on which you have to write 4 essays, which will be consisting of 20 marks each. So one question in essay writing will consist of 20 marks. Hence 4 questions, 4 topics will give you 80 marks out of the total 200 marks. Okay. Now we will proceed on to the part B. Now in CAPF AC GSEC paper, there are 2 parts, part A and part B. Part A mainly consists of essay writing and part B consists of report writing, précis writing, for and against essay writing, subjective comprehension, and basic grammar. Okay, so now the time for part B. So the for and against essay writing, as you can see again from 2015 to 2019, consistently 2 questions have come for this topic, for and against essay writing. So 2 questions, 2 topics will be given and you have to compulsorily write 2 for and against essays for each topic. I mean 1 for and against essay for 1 topic. So in total 2 for and against essay. So for your for and against essay writing, you can expect 2 topics compulsorily you have to write on these topics, and each question in for and against essay consists of 20 marks. So 2 questions from this particular topic will give you 40 marks, okay, out of 200 marks. Now proceeding on to report writing. Report writing also from 2015 to 19, 2 questions have come consistently from this topic. So in your upcoming CAPF AC examination in GSEC paper, you can expect 2 questions from report writing. So again 2 topics come and compulsorily you have to write 1 report on each. So 2 questions, 2 reports you have to write in total, and in report writing 1 question carries 10 marks. So obviously 2 questions will give you 20 marks out of the total 200 marks in the GSEC paper. Okay. Now moving on to the Prezi writing. So again in Prezi writing from 2015 to 2019, one Prezi writing has come. So one passage will be given to you and you have to write a Prezi on that one passage. So in your upcoming CAPF AC examination in GSEC paper only, you will expect one question, one passage. You have to write a Prezi on that and it will carry 15 marks. Okay, out of the total 200 marks of general studies essay and comprehension paper in CAPF AC examination, that is paper 2. Right, now the time for subjective comprehension. Again from 2015 to 2019, 5 questions have come from subjective comprehension topic. Okay, so one passage will be given and 5 questions are given. At the end of the passage you have to write the answers for these 5 questions, okay, from the passage itself. So also in your upcoming CAPF AC examination, in your GSEC paper 2, you will confront 5 questions, one passage, 5 questions, and each question of the subjective comprehension carries 4 marks. So in total 5 questions will give you 20 marks in subjective comprehension out of the total 200 marks of your GSEC paper 2 in CAPF AC examination. Lastly, we have some basic English grammar. So nearly 20 questions come and you can see from 2015 to 2019, 20 questions have consistently come from the English grammar section, right? So you will expect 20 questions in your upcoming CAPF AC examination in GSEC paper, and there are different marks division for the grammar. So 10 questions will be given to you at first, basic grammar, and it will consist of 1 mark each. And then some make sentences will be given. 5 questions will be given from make sentences, and it will consist of 2 marks each, right? And then some sentence improvement or fill in the blanks will be given, and that will also be 5 questions consisting of 1 mark each. So in total it will be giving you 25 marks. So in total the English grammar section consists of 25 marks and 20 questions will be given, and 25 marks out of 200 marks you will score if you are attempting all the questions in English grammar correctly, okay, in your GSEC paper in CAPF AC examination. Now let me tell you, there is no negative marking at all in your general studies essay and comprehension paper, that is paper 2 in the CAPF AC examination. Okay, that's a plus point, I guess. There is no negative marking. Okay, so now that you have got a basic idea of the analysis that I have shown it to you about the general studies essay and comprehension, that is GSEC paper 2 of the CAPF AC examination, the time has now come for you to prepare well and perform better than the other candidates who are going to appear for the CAPF AC examination. So you can just enroll to our CAPF AC course and you can perform much better than the other candidates. So download our mobile app right now, or you can log on to our website learn.sspcrackexams.com and subscribe to our CAPF AC course. Till then, work hard, practice hard. Don't forget to enroll to our CAPF AC course. Jai Hind.